They both have Matt's on his third. Travis is on his third. Matt's on his fourth.
Oh my gosh, guys. You're doing great. You guys do this.
Come on, Matt. Travis over here just looks like he's a champ.
Keep it going.
I want a t-shirt. That's what I keep looking for. Can you shake it?
This is the color of a normal face.
Right? Look. Almost, boys. One more. That's all you have to do.
You guys got this.
Are we cheers on the last one? Or are we going down?
Cheers.
I'm crying.
You guys can do it.
Come on, almost. Your last one.
Shake it. I know.
You did it. Go
Do I gotta wait for her to come back before I can have a drink?
I think we need some service here. His mouth is on fire, but he ate him. I think she's trying to punish you by staying in the back.
Oh my god. Hurry up, lady. Here, we get that side roll down, please.
Oh my gosh. It's burning my nostrils. We're some champs over here.
Yeah, they did the triple atomic and they are.
We've got two champions right here.
You look like you're crying.
Woo!
Do you want milk?
They look like milk.